contact a moderator in a specific forum, firstly, navigate to the forum where you need assistance. Secondly, locate the Moderators or Contact Moderator section, usually found in the sidebar or at the bottom of the page. Thirdly, click on the names of the moderators listed. Fourthly, choose the appropriate method of contact, such as email, direct message, or private message. Fifthly, compose your message clearly and respectfully, outlining your query or concern. Here are some additional tips for contacting a moderator. Be polite and respectful in your message. Clearly state the nature of your inquiry or concern. Provide any relevant information or links to support your request. If possible, use the subject line to briefly summarize your message. Be patient and understanding. Moderators may take time to respond. The most important thing to remember when contacting a moderator is to be respectful. Moderators are volunteers who are donating their time to help keep the forum running smoothly. They are not paid to deal with your problems, so it is important to be polite and understanding when you contact them. When you contact a moderator, be sure to clearly state the nature of your inquiry or concern. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for the moderator to help you. If you are reporting a post, be sure to include the link to the post and the reason why you are reporting it. When contacting a moderator, it is important to provide any relevant information or links to support your request. This will help the moderator to understand your issue and to provide you with the best possible assistance. If you are reporting a post, be sure to include the link to the post and the reason why you are reporting it. If you are asking for help with a problem, be sure to include any relevant details about the problem, such as the error message you are seeing or the steps you have already taken to try to fix the problem. It's also beneficial to use the subject line to briefly summarize your message. This will help the moderator to quickly understand what your message is about and to prioritize it accordingly. If you are reporting a post, be sure to include the link to the post and the reason why you are reporting it in the subject line. If you are asking for help with a problem, be sure to include a brief description of the problem in the subject line. Remember to be patient and understanding. Moderators may take time to respond. Moderators are volunteers who are donating their time to help keep the forum running smoothly. They may not be able to respond to your message immediately, so it is important to be patient and understanding. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable amount of time, you can try contacting the moderator again. When looking for the moderator contact information, start by navigating to the specific forum in question. The method to contact a moderator can vary from forum to forum, so it is important to first locate the correct forum before proceeding. Next, locate the section dedicated to moderators or a contact moderator link. This is typically found in the sidebar of the forum, or sometimes at the bottom of the page. Common labels include Moderators Forum Staff or Contact Us. After locating the moderator list, you will want to click on the name of the moderator you wish to contact. This should lead to their profile page or present a contact option. Forums offer different ways to reach out. Look for options such as sending an email, direct message within the forum, or a private message. Choose the method that best suits the forum and your preference. Now construct your message. It is important to clearly and respectfully explain your query or concern. Provide enough detail for the moderator to understand the situation and how they can assist you. Start with a polite greeting, clearly state the issue, and provide any relevant background information. Be sure to avoid accusatory language or making demands. If there are specific rules or guidelines you believe have been violated, point those out clearly. If you are having trouble finding a specific feature on the forum, politely ask for guidance. Once you have sent your message, remember that moderators are often volunteers with limited time. Allow them a reasonable amount of time to respond before following up. Avoid sending multiple messages in quick succession, as this can be seen as impatient. When a moderator responds, acknowledge their message and thank them for their time. If you need further clarification, respond politely with any additional questions. Maintaining a respectful tone throughout the interaction is essential for a positive outcome. Always be polite and respectful in your message, as this will increase the likelihood of receiving a helpful and timely response. Clearly state the nature of your inquiry or concern, providing all necessary details for the moderator to understand the situation. If you have relevant information or links to support your request, include them in your message. If possible, use the subject line to briefly summarize your message, making it easier for the moderator to prioritize your request. Finally, be patient and understanding, as moderators may take some time to respond due to their workload.